Hey guys, good morning. I hope you guys had a great weekend. You relaxed, you just hung out, had some fun. I am going to go over what is expected of you guys this week. But first, just a couple of reminders. If you have questions or you're confused or whatever the case may be, make sure you're emailing me at sdunbar@albanoisd.net, or you're commenting on Google Classroom, or jump in the Google Hangouts live whenever I post those links. And I'll be more than happy to help you figure out what's going on, answer your questions however I can. This week, we are focusing on knowing the characteristics of resilient people and putting that practice in and practicing that in your everyday life. So you're going to read an article over here called Characteristics of Resilient People. I want you to read and annotate it. Then you have a section A of vocabulary. Section B is multiple choice. And section C is short answer. Section C, is mostly your opinion. And then the only other thing that you have this week is your daily reading log. Remember, your reading log is your choice. It does not matter to me what you're reading as long as it's close to something on level. And then I want you just journaling your responses each day. I got rid of the writing log because you are writing if you are doing your reading log, and that's totally fine with me. Everything that you are going to be assigned is going to be due on Sunday, April 5th at 11:59. Okay, let me go over your article here real quickly. Your article looks like this. Directions: read the article below and use the comment tool to annotate as you read. Characteristics of resilient people. Again, it's got vocabulary words highlighted within it. There are 8 of them. So the article is about 2 pages plus a paragraph of a third. Keep scrolling. On the same document, you have your vocabulary, numbers 1 through 8. You're going to define the words resilient, commitment, maintain, obvious, catastrophe, avoid, flexible, and obstacles. I know a lot of you guys know the definitions of all of those words, like in just everyday terms, but I want you to look those words up on dictionary.com and look at what the actual definition of the word is. Keep scrolling. You go into section B, where it is your multiple choice, numbers 1 through 8. Your directions are to highlight your answer choice in the choice of your color and add textual evidence in parentheses to the side of your chosen answer. So number 1 says resilience helps people. Number 2, people who are resilient. Number 3, laughter is important because. Number 4, which statement best expresses the central idea of the text. Number 5, which detail from the text best supports the answer to question number 4? Number 6, what connection does the author draw between resilience and struggle? Number 7, how does the author support the idea that the ongoing development of resilience is necessary? Number 8, what is the author's purpose in paragraph 1? Keep scrolling. It'll shoot you down to section C, which is short answer. I want you to watch this YouTube video right here. It's about 3 minutes. And it's directly related to the article that you read. And then the first answer is discuss the ways a person can build resiliency. Number 2, discuss why or why not you think resiliency is an important life skill. Number 3, what life skills can a person develop by building their resiliency? Sorry for the typo there. I'll go back and fix that. And number 4, what can parents and teachers do to help young people become more resilient? Okay, so that's the end of that actual document. Everything you need is on the same document, and this is all due on Sunday, April 5th at 11:59. Okay, so that's all the one document. The other document you're going to work with this week is the reading log. Okay, I set it up a little bit differently because I know there was some confusion last week with how it was set up last week. So it's basically the same thing. The format just looks a little different. I don't care which book you read all week. It's totally up to you. I encourage you to make it somewhat close to your reading level. Let's not be reading Dr. Seuss. Okay, let's be reading something that's a little bit more on your grade level. Okay, but you have today. You're gonna type in the book title, the number of pages you read, and then books. You're gonna go back up here to look at what book said, so you can journal about that question. What is the book about? What does the author want me to know? Then you're gonna go to brain. And then up here with the brain, what surprised me, what changed, challenged, or confirmed my thinking. And then you're going to go to heart, and heart says, what life lessons did I learn? How will this help me be better? Okay, So those are the 3 different things that you're going to journal about for each day that you read. Okay. It's only, guys, 1 to 3 sentences is all I'm asking. I took out the writing log that you were doing the past couple of weeks, and we're replacing it with this. So I want 1 to 3 good sentences for each Books, Brains, and Heart, entry that you put into this. Okay, so Monday is there in red, Tuesday's in pink, Wednesday's in purple, Thursday is in blue, and Friday is in orange. So it's all right there on one document for you. And again, this one is also due on Sunday, April 5th at 11:59. Okay, if you guys have any other questions, please email me, shoot me a comment, jump on Google Hangouts, whatever it is. Let me do the best I can to help you. But if I don't know that you have a question, I can't help you. Okay? I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you're figuring this out. As we get information passed along to us, I will pass along whatever I can get to you as soon as I can. I miss you guys. I hope you're doing well, and I will talk to you soon.